Okay, see Bobby right there? That's the corner of my fence. Barely see the top of my house. So I can turn around. You can see the trees that are sinkhole. I'm gonna walk up to one side of it. Now you can see there's a bunch of rocks piled all here. So evidently at some point they had thought there was going to be a sinkhole or something. Back in there is a little pond, and it's full of water, and it's been full of water. So if it's full of water, you'd think the sinkhole would be full of water, but it's not. Full of leaves, but it's not full of water. So that means there's a hole in the bottom. Hole in the bottom of the sea. And you can see the it started out just to be till about right here when we first saw it. And then this part right there was the path. You see the path coming along, and we used to walk over there and right over there and over to there. But now it's totally sinkhole all the way around there. I wish you can't even see how deep it is on the video. But you can see this tree is the one that has the crevices going along where I've been thinking it was gonna go, but it's got some strong roots in here, I guess. But it's leaning. And then that tree over there used to be just straight up and there was a path in front of it. Now it's leaning. It would have been all the way over if it wasn't for this tree that it's stuck in up here. And then there's some other trees further over. I'll take you over there. First I'm gonna come around here, and the crevice really hasn't gotten any bigger than it was months ago. I'm gonna put my foot on it. It's good and sturdy so I can walk on it. More crevice. I don't think I'll walk out to the edge, but you can see how it goes way down in there. I don't know if you can even tell how deep it is. It's pretty deep. This tree looks like you could just about push it over, but you can't. If this, let's see if I can walk over here. I'm walking a little ways. If I could get this things out of the way. You can see how it goes way under there, and it's starting to come this direction. You see, it goes way under. There's some ground there with big roots holding up that ground. You can see underneath. See underneath the ground right there. And then it goes over, and as you can see, it's starting to come up this direction. And when this tree goes, it's stuck in the tree up there. So that means when that tree goes eventually, and this used to be a path that I'm standing on. You can see how the crevice, where it's coming up, where this tree is going down in. I don't even know if you can tell. And with all these leaves, and I'm being careful walking over here because I don't want to go down in. But you can see it's going down. That used to be just flat across here. It used to be flat across here. And then can you see? So far this tree's doing good. Wow. See the crevice or the root ball in that tree. And then look over here. You can't even tell it, but there is a hole in here. I wouldn't even step on that because I don't know how deep it goes. It's got leaves in it. And that used to be all flat along there. And then it goes over to that tree, and then around behind the tree. You can't even tell how far it's going. Come around this tree here. See this little path? I walked it with Oliver many times when he was little and on our adventures. And I don't know if you can tell, comes along and right there, you can see the line, it just drops off. Wish I had a big stick I could put down there. Here's one. I'm just doing it carefully because I don't want to fall in. But you can see this? Goes way down in there. And it goes down all the way over to there. And even it's all getting lower. You can see where that tree is going, and it's stuck in those branches. Or maybe it's just not gone all the way, I don't know what. But over there, if I could walk to the edge, I'm gonna try to toss this stick. You probably can't even see how that stick is. I lost it. Yeah, there it is. See that stick right there? It's leaning way down in. It's going down. There's a hole in there. Big hole right there. Let me throw this rock in it. See what happens. Okay, this rock I'm going to try to throw in that hole. That used to be all flat along here. And then it goes over back to the sinkhole. So it's gone from way over there, started less than a year ago. And it was about 6 feet when we first saw it. It's gone all the way over to there, over to here. There's a deep spot. This is about to cave in as soon as this tree's gone. And here's another deep spot. Certain times of the day you can see better. Maybe I'll come out early in the morning. And there's a shadow. So it's gone to there. So I'd say that's 30 or 40 feet. But I don't have a way to measure it. This is the path. We used to walk around here, all the way around, come all the way around here, back up. And now you can't.